Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how install Windows Package Manager to update all installed programs. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click Microsoft Desktop Installer Bundle. Open downloaded file. Click Update. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type wingit, space, upgrade, space, --, all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.